How to check old stories on Instagram. At first, open your Instagram app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap on three-line menu. Now tap on archive. You can see all your old stories here. If you don't see the story here, make sure you have selected the story archive from the drop down menu. If you still don't see your old stories here, then make sure you have turned on the autosave from the settings. To do that, tap on three dots menu at the top right corner, then tap on settings, and there it is. Turn on this toggle if it is turned off. From now on, your all stories will be automatically saved on archive, so you can check them whenever you want. And that's it. This is how you can check your old stories on Instagram.